Today, fascism can be in any country, whether it is poor or imperialist or capitalist. That is the situation today. That is globalization. Capital has become internationalized. Capital has become internationalized. Therefore, fascism can operate in any country. That is neo-fascism compared with the classical fascism. So here, this question is also to be understood carefully. When we discuss on the Palestine question with our friends, European Communist parties who are members of ICOR, we are open, we can say. They are saying that Hamas is as dangerous as Zionists. They are balancing Hamas with the Zionists. Communists. Many European communists are, so-called revolutionary communists are having a balancing approach, equating Hamas with Zionism. Is it true, comrades? Hamas is not a jihadist organization. I am not a supporter, I am not a proponent of Hamas. Don't misunderstand me. Hamas is a resistance organization. There are many resistance forces in the world. I have read Hamas, their program, their 2017 program, I have read. In that program, they say that they stand for a Palestine where Jews, Arabs, Muslims, Hindus, Christians, anybody can live together. They want a secular state. That is their declared position now. Whether they are jihadists, whether they are misogynist, whether they are terrorists, whether they are fascists. Many self-professed left parties in Europe call these Hamas as a fascist organization. This is the influence of Islamophobia, deep rooted all over the world. A typical case is India.